It's September 2008. I'm a successful hedge fund investor on Wall Street. I'm working at Lehman Brothers. Things are going pretty well for me, so I decided to buy myself a new smartphone, the Nokia E71. Most of the people out there are still using their dummy phones without internet and email access. The iPhone madness is still not started yet. The world financial crisis will hit the market in just a few days, and I will lose all my fortune. The world will never be the same, both for the stock market and the smartphone industry. Indeed, the smartphone market still doesn't exist, and it's called the mobile phone market. In a very short time, the Nokia brand will be totally killed by Apple and other smartphone manufacturers. The iPhone madness will totally change the game and create a whole new way of living, consuming content, buying things online, listening to music, and web browsing. But before all this will happen, I want to unbox and review one of the last classic Nokia mobile phones from the era of dinosaurs. Before starting the actual video, I just want to make sure you hit that subscribe button and activate notifications for all my future videos. I would really appreciate your support. Without losing more of your time, let's go straight to the topic of this video. You see, evolution sometimes takes a weird path. Back in 2008, everyone imagined a smartphone as a mobile phone with a keyboard and internet access. Back in the day, it was one of the coolest and hottest mobile phones out there. I remember as a kid, I always dreamed about this classic Nokia QWERTY phone, but I was not able to afford it because it was too expensive. At crazy $450, it was more expensive than the iPhone. It was part of Nokia's E-series, which was focused on business and enterprise-oriented devices. The E71 was particularly known for its sleek and stylish design, along with its robust feature set. One of the standout features of the Nokia E71 was its QWERTY keyboard, which made it easy for users to type emails, messages, and documents on the go. The phone also had 2.36-inch display with a resolution of 320 by 240 pixels, which was considered good for its time. In terms of performance, the Nokia E71 was performed by ARM11 processor and had 128 MB of RAM. It ran on Nokia Symbian operating system, specifically S60 3rd edition, which was known for its stability and customization options. The phone also had 110 MB of internal storage, expandable via micro SD card. Actually, in this phone, I have a 2 GB SD card, which allows me to store plenty of files, songs and videos. The E71 offered a range of connectivity options, including 3G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and GPS. It also had a 3.2 megapixel camera with autofocus and LED flash, allowing users to capture decent quality photos. One of the reasons the Nokia E71 gained popularity was its strong focus on email and messaging capabilities. It supported multiple email accounts and featured a dedicated key for accessing the messaging application. The phone also had a built-in document editor, allowing users to view and edit Microsoft Office documents on the device and even PDFs. The Nokia E71 received positive reviews for its build quality, battery life, and overall performance. It was praised for its excellent keyboard and messaging capabilities, making it a favorite among professionals and business users. Over the years, the Nokia E71 became somewhat of a classic in the smartphone world, known for its durability and reliability. While it may not have had the same level of app support as later smartphones, it offered a solid user experience for those who prioritized productivity and communication. Nokia E71 was known for its solid user interface, apps, internet capabilities, office apps, and games during its time. Here's a review of each aspect. User interface. The Nokia E71 ran on Nokia Symbian operating system, specifically S60 3rd edition. The user interface provided a straightforward and intuitive experience, allowing users to navigate through menus, access applications, and perform tasks with ease. It had a customizable home screen with widgets and shortcuts, enabling users to personalize their device according to their preferences. Apps. Although the Nokia E71 was released before the App Store era, it offered a range of pre-installed applications that catered to various needs. It included a comprehensive set of productivity tools such as calendar, contacts, email client, and a document viewer. Additionally, users could download additional applications and games from the Nokia Store or third-party websites. Internet. The Nokia E71 featured a capable internet browser and allowed users to browse websites, access web-based applications, and stay connected online. It supported both 3G and Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling fast and reliable internet access. While the browsing experience may not have been as smooth as modern smartphones, the E71 provided a decent internet experience for its time. Well, obviously today, using the Nokia E71 for web browsing feels like pain in the ass, but it's still cool. Office apps. The Nokia E71 was particularly known for its Office capabilities. It included applications like Quick Office, which allowed users to view and edit Microsoft Office documents directly on their device. This was a significant advantage for business professionals who needed to access and work on documents while on the go. Overall, the Nokia E71 excelled in providing a solid user interface, essential apps for productivity, reliable internet browsing, and a decent selection of games. While its capabilities may not match modern smartphones, the E71 was well regarded during its time, especially among business users who valued its messaging, productivity, and communication features. Despite being released over a decade ago, the Nokia E71 still holds a special place in the memories of many users who enjoyed its unique design and functionality. It serves as a reminder of Nokia's dominance in the mobile phone industry during that era. Nokia's decline began in the late 2000s, when it struggled to adapt to the rapid rise of touchscreen smartphones such as the iPhone and devices running on the Android operating system. Nokia Symbian operating system, which powered its phones, faced difficulties competing with these newer platforms in terms of user experience and app availability. Thanks for watching. If you want to support me, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tech-oriented content. Don't forget to check out my other videos on my channel as well. See you later on YouTube. Bye bye. And by the way, in 2008 I was just a little kid and not a successful stock investor on Wall Street. I just recently read a book about storytelling and I'm trying to apply some principles in my videos. So don't worry, I was not hit by the 2008 crisis. Everything's fine.